Welcome friends to the second part of AutoCAD tutorial. In the last tutorial, we have got the introduction of AutoCAD window. In this tutorial, first of all, let us learn function keys use. Here, as you know, F1 is for help, F2 is to see the commands list. If we will press F2, then it will display this type of command window. F3 is for Osnap, F4 is to on the tablet and off it. All these are toggle keys, so once we will switch it on and again if we will click it, it will be off. F5 is for isoplane top, left and right. F6 is to set the UCS on and off. F7 is to set grid on and off. F8 is for ortho. This will be helpful for drawing when the lines are stretched. We can set it straight. F9 is to set snap on and off. F10 is for polar. F11 is for object snap. And F12 is for dynamic on and off. This will set the input of dynamic size. Now let us learn some of the draw tools that we have in this window. The line tool is available at the draw area, and then we have the command of line as L that we can type in the command window. First of all, let us select the tool, and then as per this instruction, let us follow to specify the first point. After specifying first point, it will ask you to specify the next point. Then click again in the window and the line will be added. To leave the command, press enter or spacebar. This is how we will draw line using line tool. We can type L for line tool and then press enter or spacebar to get the same command. Now again let us specify the first point and then give the next point, or by clicking in the drawing area. If we will give it the measure of 10, it will draw the line of 10 as per given units. If we have specified units in inches, it will draw 10-inch line. Then the next command is for rectangle. We can select the tool of rectangle from the drawing area and click here. After specifying the top left corner, we will specify the bottom right corner and click. It will draw the rectangle on the drawing area. We can do the same job by typing REC in the command window. After typing REC, it will display several options to draw the rectangle. They are chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width. We will learn these options later in the next tutorial. But to specify the first corner point, we will have to click in the drawing area somewhere where we want to put it. And then for the next corner again we can click or set measure. Here we will just click and will that rectangle will be displayed there like this. We have learned the function keys, the line tool and the rectangle tool in this tutorial. Now let us learn the circle. Circle is another tool which is available in draw. Once click on circle tool and then specify center point for circle. We can specify it anywhere in the drawing area because we are not drawing any specific drawing here. Then by clicking in the middle, as per the radius, it will draw the circle. We can type in the measure of circle in the command window, or we can set it as the click in the drawing area. This will draw a circle like this. The command to draw circle is C in the command window. And again we can do the same job to draw the circle here. And then press enter. The circle is ready. Line, rectangle and circle are the basic tools to draw any geometry in AutoCAD. We will learn more tools in our next tutorial. Thank you.